Hello everyone, myself Assistant Professor Gauri Zwangi. In this video lecture, we continue the second topic, profit and loss. Okay, in the previous video lecture, we see how to find actual profit, how to find actual loss, how to find percentage profit and how to find percentage loss. Now see more examples. See the example. A good worth rupees 10,000 are purchased. What should be the SP to earn a profit of 10%? Okay, what we have given thing 10,000 is a cost price and we have a 10% profit. So what should be the selling price? This is our question. So see the solution. CP is given 10,000 rupees. Percentage profit is a 10% and SP is equal to question mark. Okay, we have to find the value of the SP and we know if CP is known, percentage profit is known, then the formula of SP is 100 plus percentage profit upon 100 into CP. Remember the formula 100 plus percentage profit upon 100 into CP. So 100 plus percentage profit is here 10% upon 100 as it is into CP is 10,000 rupees. Simplify it to the 100 plus 10 is 110 divided by 100 into 10,000. Okay, simplify it. These two zeros get cancelled with these two zero. So 110 into 100 we get an answer 11,000 rupees. Okay, so selling price should 11,000 rupees. So we get a profit 10%. So our answer is required answer is goods should be sold for rupees 11,000. Now see the another question. A man sold two machines at 990 rupees each. One on he gained 10% and on the other he lost 10%. Find the percentage profit or loss in the total transaction. Okay, we have to ask the given things are selling price of two machines are given. Okay, each machine having a selling price is a 990 rupees. Okay, for one machine he have given information he gained 10%. What is the meaning of gain? He get a profit 10%. Okay, and in the other machine he lost 10%. That means here we have given percentage loss is a 10% and we have to find the percentage profit or percentage loss in the total transaction. Okay, that means for both the machines we have to find the percentage profit or percentage loss in the total transaction. So see the given thing SP of machine 1. Okay, suppose there are two machines, machine 1 and machine 2. So SP of machine 1 is a 990 rupees and SP of machine 2 is 990 rupees. Okay, from the first sentence of the given question, selling price of two machine is 990 rupees each. Okay, next percentage profit on machine 1. Okay, on one machine he gained a 10%. So percentage profit on machine 1 is 10% and percentage loss on machine 2 is a 10%. Okay, so we know the selling price of both the machines. Okay, to find the percentage profit or loss, we must know the cost price of the both the machines. If we know cost price, then we can find the loss or profit. So we know if SP is known, percentage profit or percentage loss is known, then we can find the CP by using this formula. We know this formula SP is equal to 100 plus percentage profit upon 100 into CP. So use this formula and find out the value of CP. So SP for machine 1C, SP is 990 rupees. 100 plus percentage profit is 10 upon 100 into CP. We have to find here CP. Simplify this. This 100 is divided in the right hand side. So to the left it will multiply. So we get expression 990 into 100 equal to 110 into Cp. Okay, simplify this. This 110 is multiplied in the right hand side. So to the left it will divide here, and after dividing and simplifying this we get a Cp is equal to 900 rupees. So for machine 1 we get a 10% profit. SP of machine 1 is a 990 rupees. So in that case CP is a 900 rupees. Okay, same for the machine 2, we have to find the CP. See, for machine 2 there is a loss in the case of machine 2. So use the formula SP is equal to 100 minus percentage loss upon 100 into CP to find out the value of CP for a machine 2. Okay, SP of a machine 2 is a known. SP of machine 2 is a 990 rupees equal to 100 minus percentage loss is a 10 upon 100 into CP. Again this 100 is a divided in the right hand side. So to the left it will multiply. So in the left hand side we get here 990, okay, into 100 divided by 90, because 100 minus percentage loss, this term is a multiplied in the right hand side. So to the left it will divide, which is equal to Cp. So value of the Cp is, simplify this expression, you get the value of Cp of machine 2 is a 1100 rupees or 1100 rupees. Okay, so this is the CP of machine 2. So first we find the CP of machine 1, and we find the CP of machine 2 according to given information. Okay, so we have to find the percentage profit or loss in total transaction. So find out the SP of both machines we have given, which is equal to 990 into 2 equal to 1980 rupees. Okay, CP we find here. CP is equal to, for machine 1 CP is 900 rupees, and for machine 2 CP is 1100 rupees, which is equal to 2000 rupees. So for both the machines CP is a 2000 and SP is a 1980 rupees. So observe here CP is greater than SP. Observe here CP is greater than SP. So in this total transaction there is a loss. So in the total transaction here there is a loss. Why? Because CP is greater than SP in the total transaction. So find out the percentage loss. Actual loss divided by CP into 100. So actual loss is a 20 rupees. Cost price is a 2000 into 100, which is equal to, simplify it, we get answer percentage loss is equal to 1% in the total transaction. Okay, in the total transaction we get a 1% loss. Okay, we have given SP of two machines, as well as on one machine he get a 10% profit, and on the other machine he get a 10% loss. So from this given information we find out the CPU of both the machines. Okay, and we know if SP of both the machines are known, CPU of both the machines are known, then we can find here there is a profit or there is a loss in the transaction. So here CP is greater than SP. So in the transaction there is a loss, and we find here percentage loss is equal to 1%. Okay, only we use here formulas to find out the percentage profit or percentage loss. Go through step by step, you get a correct answer. Okay, now we see more examples in the next video lecture. Thank you.